Now we're on one of our older trains. Sit down. See, this one goes. Sit down. Now we're going back to the airport. So how'd you enjoy your trip?
It was a good time.
Good time?
Went by too fast. I want to go home yet. Because you know I have to go back to work tomorrow, and tomorrow's my first day of third class.
Mm-hmm.
Means I have to write more papers, study again. You know, 1 week isn't enough time between classes.
Yeah.
They wanted to, well, they told me that the tuition was going to go up. They could freeze my tuition for the next 2 years, which is through the end of my graduate program, if I wanted to cut out the week in between classes. And I'm like, oh, hell no, you can raise it. Just raise it. I need that week. Otherwise, I will go insane.
We're in the tunnel. So what would you say is one of your favorite things about this trip?
Going to your high school football game?
Really?
That was so cool. Yeah.
Never saw that one coming, huh?
No. Never saw that slaughter coming either.
Oh God. Yeah, 49-0 by halftime.
You'll have to. You'll have to tell me what the final score is.
The next station is College Park. College Park is the next station.
You're getting all the versions of the train now. You got the new train and the old train, and you got the automated one. Now you got the lady talking. You can see there's people going to the airport, like you and stuff. Now we're back over at College Park Station. Yeah.
We all gotta get on the way.
Yeah, I told you to get the full experience.
A lot of people like park their cars and then
Park the cars and ride the train.
That's a good idea.
That's what we were gonna do if we would have went downtown.
Okay.
And now we're back over at the airport.
The current time is 10:55. The next station is the airport. Airport is the next station. Exit here for Hartsfield-Jackson, Atlanta International Airport. This is also hot dog it. Dog it. This is also the end of the South Line. We do ask all passengers to please check around your seated areas and the luggage areas for your personal items. Before you exit the train, please make sure you have all your personal items. As always, we will thank you for riding, MARTA. Have a nice day. This is the airport.
Hot dog it.
That was pretty cool, that over.
Wow, you just did the bonus package, aren't you?
Yeah.